evening. It is 25 past 11 on Sunday evening. I've had work today and yesterday. Apart from that, it's been pretty chill. My back's not hurting as much anymore. And yeah, I've just relaxed, played games, that's about it. It's been quite a nice weekend. I have work again tomorrow from 4 to 5 onwards. So I've got to get all of my exercise done before then, but that should be fine. I'm going to go swimming at 7:30, and then from there go to the gym, and then midday I'll go climbing. Going to take it easy still because I'm not sure I'm 100% with my back, but I'm not stiff anymore, not really feeling any pain. Just want to ease myself back into it and be really cautious so I don't injure myself further. And yeah, that's about it, to be honest. Got to make sure I've got everything done by early tomorrow morning. And yeah, fun times.